Hi guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and I have some Aussie goodies from Woolworths that my mum and we got today. Great bargain. We have, first I'm going to show you Kirk's sugar-free lemonade. It comes in a box of 10 cans. So this is sugar-free and this is keto and low carb approved. I used to love this as a kid. Obviously, as a kid, I would be drinking the full sugar kind, up to like 10 tablespoons of sugar is in one of these things. But this is sugar-free, totally fine for artificial sweeteners. It's got no artificial colors and preservatives, and it's lemonade. So people that don't know what this is creamy soda. It's supposed to have a very creamy sort of texture. So this is the lemonade, and I will be letting you guys know what it's like compared to the original that I grew up on. Also, we have here the Kirk's sugar-free creaming soda, which is in the pink can. And that's the same, keto approved, low carb approved, and it has no artificial colors or preservatives or flavors. So that also is going to be a great one. Now, what we used to do as kids and growing up is we would use one can of these and we would put a plop of ice cream or a dollop of ice cream in it, and it would fizz up and make like a spider, is what we call it in Australia. I'm not sure what you'll call it in America, but they are going to be very yummy. They actually are on sale now at Woolworths, so grab them now while they are on sale. They are $4.45 for a pack of 10. They were $8.60, so get in while you can this week. They are on special for $4.45. Now, the next thing I have mentioned to you guys is I've been sick since I came back from Queensland, and I've had to run to my local pharmacy, which is Amcal, and so I got my medicine, my Robitussin, my sugar-free Robitussin, and with every purchase that you purchase from Amcal at the moment, you get a free Blackmore's single origin cocoa powder. So that is free with every purchase that you make from an Amcal chemist. So if you have anything to pick up from an Amcal chemist, they sell gifts as well, perfumes, makeups, anything like that. That is a great little freebie that they put in the bag. So far we have gotten two of these things, so we could put it in like a smoothie or just to make like keto or low carb hot chocolate. And there is 2.4 carbs per serve, which is not bad at all, 0 sugars. Also, we found some organic coconut flour, which is at Safeways for $5.60 at the moment. This is the Australian coconut flour, and that is from Coles in Australia, Coles, not Coles American. Now, the other thing that you Australians don't have a great combination of are the pork rinds or pork cracklings. It had taken me quite a while to find this because I really do love eating the pork rinds in America, and I make nachos with them, so I really had to look for these. We found these in Queensland in Woolworths, and we've been looking for them ever since here in Melbourne, and we just couldn't find them. But my mum actually found them today. They're pork crackles. They're 50 grams, so they're a much smaller bag than what I'm used to in America. But there is your pork rinds, your pork crackles, and it is on the back. And they are just a delicious snack. They are $2.20 at the moment. Sometimes they are a little cheaper, but they're a good little snack. And what I do with them is I will put, like, probably that whole pack will be one meal for me. I'll put it in a bowl, put some shredded grated cheese that I grate myself on top, put it in the microwave for 50 seconds, then I'll mash up an avocado, half an avocado, and then I'll put a few dollops of sour cream. And that is nacho. And if you're having a chip craving, this is what you want to get. Okay, so they are not in the chip aisle. They are down by the nuts. And you have to look because they are right down on the very bottom shelf. And that's at Woolworths. If they don't stock them, you can always ask your local Woolworths if they would bring them in for you. And I'm sure they would say yes. These are also available at Coles in some states. I know in Queensland they were available at Coles. I'm not sure if they are available here in Melbourne at Coles. And that's Coles Australian, not Coles American, guys. So this is just like an Australian shopping haul. So I just wanted to share with you those few goodies. And definitely my faves are the Kirk's sugar-free sodas, creamy soda that I grew up on as a kid, and I will totally let you know if I can tell a difference. I don't think I will, but they are just great for summer, great for those desserts. Like I said, you can put ice cream or the whipped cream in there, and so something to cool down with. So I hope you guys are having a great night or morning wherever you are in the world, and I hope that you liked this little food haul. Take care, guys. Keto on. Bye-bye.